Welcome! This SwellPro tutorial video will take you through the setup and first flight of the Spry Plus drone. Before your first flight, it's important to familiarize yourself with local laws and regulations. Read the user manual, charge all batteries, and insert an SD card into the drone if you want to record videos or photos. SwellPro has other tutorials videos that can be found at swellpro.com. For safety, choose an open, outdoor environment without obstacles or people. Open the case and take out the aircraft, turn on the remote controller, and then the aircraft. Before your first flight, it's imperative to calibrate the aircraft. Check the manual for instructions or follow the link that appears on the screen to view the calibration video. After the calibration is complete, restart the Spry Plus. It may take a few minutes at first for the aircraft to lock on to the GPS signal. Once the controller indicates at least 8 satellites are detected, it will register its return home point. So now you're ready to take your first flight. Pull both joysticks simultaneously down and inwards and maintain this position for 1 second, and the motors will idle, ready for takeoff. Now, gently push the left joystick up and the Spry Plus will gradually rise. When you release the joystick, the aircraft will hover in position. The left joystick controls the aircraft ascent, descent, left turn, and right turn. The right joystick controls the aircraft movement forward, backward, left, and right. When landing the Spry Plus, try to land on an even surface. Slowly pull the left joystick down so that the aircraft lands smoothly and gradually. After landing, you can hold the left joystick down for 5 seconds to stop the motors. Alternatively, after the aircraft lands, simultaneously pull the left and right joysticks down and outwards, and the motors will stop. Before turning off the aircraft, remember to always switch the camera to preview mode to save any video being recorded, then turn off the aircraft and remote controller in turn. After flight, please care for your battery. Either allow it to cool and then recharge it for flight, or check that it's approximately at 11.1 volts to 11.6 volts charged before storage. The battery voltage of aircraft and remote control can be checked through the remote control screen. Remember, the user manuals are full of tips and helpful information. Thanks for watching.